Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to move a message to spam on Messenger. In order to mark a messenger conversation as spam, you'll need to follow these steps. First thing first, what you want to do is open the Messenger application and log into your account. This is how the interface will look like. Now then, what you need to do is on this field you want to locate a specific conversation that you want to mark as spam. So let's see, this is the one, and then what you have to do is you want to look for the mark. Now then, you have to simply tap on the three dot or a gear icon located within the conversation, or the I button in the top of the page, and click on the three dot icon right over here and click on report, or just click on the report button, scam or fraud. As you've done it, so you want to submit a request, and you may be prompted to confirm that you want to mark the conversation as a spam, and this way you'll have successfully moved the message to spam on Messenger. That is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.